Hello, engineer. Have you gotten the structure I'm telling you about? Yeah, I said I need a skyscraper and it's a lot building that from the top to the down. I want everything precious. I want everything marvelous. I don't need no stress. Why are you stressing me now? You know I just came from Yankee yesterday. I'm in Nigeria now. I don't want to leave. I don't want to feel like I'm in Nigeria safe. I want the house to be perfect. Everything perfect. Just send me your account. How much are we talking about?
Jesus is
40 million? Send me your account number. Let me punch you 100 million so you can start this thing. I don't need no stress. I want everything looking glorious. Okay? What is wrong with your girlfriend? Don't worry, send me your girlfriend's account number. Let me send her 200 million so that she can be fine and go and treat herself. Do whatever she wants to do. Money is not my problem. You know now. Should I keep saying it all the time? Just send me your account. Send me your mother's account number. Send me your father's account number. I want to send 100 million to each of them. Alright. I'm waiting for all the account numbers. Send your girlfriend's account number. Send it. Let me push in 200 million to the account. Send it. Send your mother's photo. I thought I seen a dream. Impossible. I know some of you get money for this life. Tell me saying I come and sell 100 million. Yeah, you get 100 for account.
Go and ask your grandfather.
This my poverty status don't increase. Eh? I can't get money for a dream. I can't suffer for real life. You don't be like say me and poverty now the same mama, the same papa, and bonus. You just not be canceling now need like this. Eh? I did it. Things say they why. You are a woman.